Doing something unholy. Down. Yeah. Lucky girl, she got married to a boy like you. She'd kick you out if she ever knew. But all the you tell me that you do. Dirty boy, you know everyone is stalking on the scene. I hear them whispering about the places that you've been and how you don't know how to keep your business clean. Do you know this song? Sing with me. At the body shop, he said there while she dropping it, she be popping it, yeah, she put it down slowly. Drop that addy, give me love, give me Fendi, my Balenciaga daddy. You gon' need to bag it up, cause I'm spending on Rodeo. You can watch me back it up, I'll be gone in a hand. Give me product, give me Mew like Rihanna. He always call me cause I never cause no drama. And when you want a baby, I know I got you covered. And when you need a baby, just jump to the cover. Doing something unholy. He said there while she dropping it, she be popping it, yeah, she put it down slowly. But we don't know that doing something unholy. He said that while she's dropping it, she be popping in, yeah, she put it down slowly. But we don't know that he's getting high at the body shop, doing something unholy. He said that while she's dropping it, and she be popping in, yeah, she put it down slowly. I don't know.
Yun.